How to add Bitcoin Inu. Are you guys facing issues to add Bitcoin Inu on your MetaMask application? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open MetaMask on your mobile device. If you don't know how to download MetaMask on your mobile device, then make sure to check out our guide on how to do it. Once you open the app, now log in into your account with your registered email and password. After you get logged in, you can see the option for plus icon, tap on it. Now tap on search bar and search for Bitcoin Inu. You are looking to add Bitcoin Inu, right? Just check the box and hit the next button. You can see the option for import, tap on it. As soon as you click on import, Bitcoin Inu will be added on MetaMask application. And that's it guys, that's how we're gonna add Bitcoin Inu on MetaMask. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. And if you guys have any issues regarding MetaMask application, make sure to comment down below so that I can help you out. I'll catch you up in the next one. Bye bye.